Kagan verse go buy 2 cars in the same day. I did not ask him what the other car was, but I saw one of the cars. It was a BMW Z4. Some of you would have seen it. That car is not 5 million. It's not 10 million. It's not 15 million. It's also not 20 million. So you can go and check the price. So he bought 2 cars in the same day. I was just looking at the guy like this, like. So he had an issue, a health issue, right? I can say it because I saw in a video online that he has already talked about it. So he had one issue, like he just discovered he was healthy, but something happened, decided to do a test and discovered that he was having issues, and he was so surprised. His health he had issues. He was shocked, and they told him that he would have died. So he was thinking like, die. So I believe this was what came to his mind. So if I die, who I won't leave my money for? I believe that was what came to his mind. If you see this one, you go laugh. Kagan verse go buy 2 cars in the same day. I did not ask him what the other car was, but I saw one of the cars. It was a BMW Z4. Some of you would have seen it. That car is not 5 million. It's not 10 million. It's not 15 million. It's also not 20 million. So you can go and check the price. So he bought 2 cars in the same day. I was just looking at the guy like this, like, say, Raymond, I almost died. So now I want to be enjoying my life. I was just looking at you like this. I want to be enjoying my life. So he was so down to earth. He's so simple. Oh, Kagan is so simple. Anyway, when you get money, you get the way you think. It's a mindset. They kill yourself. Actually, not everybody when get money be like that anyway. But he is just so simple. He doesn't. In fact, because I didn't want him to do anything for me, I want to be doing things by myself. When he found out that he bought food for me, then I now told him that, I've eaten in the hotel. He said, you have eaten how? I said, I bought food. We were like, what? A plate of food in the hotel is 20K. We were like, why would you buy food? So he looked at me like this. So while we're during the live section, please be calculating how much Kagan spent now. See how they draw my ear, be calculating. During the live section, while we're doing the live session recording, so I said something, I talked about miracle money, that I got money in my account. I didn't know how the money came. I checked all my receipts, everything. I don't know who sent the money. There was no trace of the money. So he was like, let me give you miracle money now. He just brought we're live, we're shooting the way I'm shooting now. He just brought his laptop, went online to internet banking and said, Raymond, come on, give me your account. I was looking at him like this. So now I tap my account, I tap my account. You know wired me 100K. Something like 100K, how? For what? You know, said, no, for that food that you bought. I told you I don't want you to spend your money. I want to take care of you very well. I'm looking at this guy, 100K, just like that. And I told him, thank you. I was so happy, like, wow, just 100K for nothing. So that's 300K. Hotel, 100K. 2 nights, 200K. Give you another 100K for free. That's 300K. Now, so the shoot we did the second shoot. It was amazing. We're so happy. He was so happy. I went live. He went live. In fact, something happened.